So symmetry is when we draw a line down the middle of something and it's the same on both sides. It can be a mirror image or it can be just the same. So we are going to draw a symmetry bug, and we're going to use some really cool techniques to hide our name inside. So it's going to be kind of a mystery. Now, if you have glaze coming, I will be getting that to you. I'll be sending out emails. And if you are coming to glaze in person on Wednesday, I will see you then. And I'm very excited to see your faces. But for this week, we're going to go ahead and get started on our symmetry bug. All right, to get started on our symmetry bug, we're going to take our paper, and we want it to be portrait, but we want to fold it in half the hot dog way, which is the tall way. So sometimes it's easier to turn your paper sideways. We're going to take these two bottom corners and line them up with the top two corners, like so. Draw a line right down the middle, and then push our fingers out. That is going to give us a nice line down the middle. This is called our line of symmetry. Now we are going to take that line of symmetry and we are going to draw a half a bug. So we are going to draw our bug shape. I'm just going to make mine kind of round. And I'm only going to draw it from the fold line to the fold line. Now I'm going to turn my paper sideways, and this is where we hide our name. And we're going to put the letters of our name going from the top here of this line for our bug all the way down to the fold. So I'm going to start with my name, which is Stone, so S-T-O-N-E. So I'm going to do my S, and I'm going to bring it up and down and all the way to that fold line so that it touches at the top and bottom. Okay, you can see my fold line here. It's right here. Now I'm going to do the next letter of my name. And I'm going to put my T in and bring that down. For this project, we only want to use capital letters. When we use lowercase, it doesn't always look right when we get the symmetry going. So notice that I'm only using capital letters, which are those big letters. Now for the middle, I'm going to put that O in. O. And I'm going to connect my T. The reason that we're doing this is because afterward we're going to end up painting our picture, and so we want to have everything touching or closed off. So notice that my O goes from the very top to that fold. Now I'm going to bring that letter down, this letter down, and this letter down to my E. And I'm going to bring this here, and I'm going to bring it all the way to the end because why not? And I've just got a little bit of an E here. Okay, so this is probably as far as I'll get with our students, our artists in class this week. If you feel like jumping ahead, you can. The next step is going to be to trace our letters with crayon. And I'm going to use black crayon. You can use any color you want, but the darker colors typically work better. So black or blue or purple. And we want to put a lot of crayon here, a lot. We want it to be nice and heavy. So this is going to be the next step, and this is where I'm going to start next week. Okay, so you can stop after the pencil, or if you want to keep working, just finish tracing all of your pencil lines with crayon. That's your choice. All right, my friends, if you have any questions, send me a message in Schoology and I will answer them. Have a great